There are 126 million homes in America, but only 20% have home security. We're changing that. Our goal is simple: to make homes safe for everyone. Not with false security, but with real protection. A night watch for your home, a day watch too. Engineered with a single focus: to protect. Built with unprecedented safeguards against power outages, downed Wi-Fi, cut landlines, bats, hammers, and everything in between. Not one-room protection, whole home protection. An arsenal of sensors and cameras. Sensors so small they're practically invisible, designed to disappear into your home and blanket it with protection. So precise that they can tell the difference between a family pet and an intruder. More than easy to use, downright delightful. Everything soft and smooth to the touch, with gentle reminders when a window is left open, and urgency in moments of crisis. All at prices that are fair and honest. We're 10 years in, protecting over 2 million Americans. We're just getting started. Meet the all-new SimpliSafe. Home security done right.